Well, hello there. This is Rich from Housebarons.com. We're in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're checking out some construction sites, and we ran into a very unexpected visitor. All right, just wanted to share that with you. Thought it was pretty cool. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks so much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.